So we have an example from ALEKS from one of our modules. The topic here is finding the original price given the sale price and percent discount. It says at a sale this week, a sofa is being sold for $145.20. This is 33% of the original price. And it's asking me what is the original price. So we have the answer here. This is one that we've already worked out, that a student has worked out. But we still have questions with it. So let's think back. I think we all like to shop, maybe a little bit, at least for items that we particularly like. And if we are shopping, we want to get the best price. We don't want to waste money, right? So these are things that typically we know how to do, but sometimes given in a word problem, we have trouble maybe reading or deciphering the verbiage here. But let's think this through. So we're going shopping, and we're shopping for a sofa, and what's happening is that the sofa is on sale for $145.20, right? And what they've told us is that this is, and this is the important part, this is, let me underline that, 33% of the original price. Well, I'm going to pause right there, because if I'm going to do math, what I need to do is I need to change that percent to a decimal. So that 33%, if I change that to a decimal, that is 0.33. That is 33%. And now if I take that sentence, that word form there, and I put that in equation form, what I could represent this a few different ways, but I might put that 33% times the original price, that is going to be equal to my sales price. I mean, that's what this, depending on the word problem and the information that's given, we may, sometimes we have different circumstances, but given this information, it is specifically saying that $145.20, that is 33% of the original price. And then it's asking me to solve for that original price. So then we go back to your order of operations, or how we learn to solve one-step equations in algebra. And so if I want to solve for that original price, then what we need to do is isolate that. I put a word there. I could have put a variable like x, but we're going to look at that word original as a variable. What do I need to do to isolate that variable? Well, right now I have 0.33 times the original value. And so to isolate that, we've got to do the inverse operation. So the inverse of multiplying is dividing. And so if I divide one side by 0.33, I've got to do the same thing to the other side as well. And so on the left-hand side, that's just leaving me with the original price, and this is going to tell me that the original price is equal to, and if I divide that, that gives me that $440.